It's fire down. Too true, put it down. Yeah, I'm gon' keep things up. 1996.
Strapped down with getaways, bagging me to the extent of my struggle statistics. They calling me on the low, coming up on the money hustle. The same old thing for a new game to be played for cheese. Gotta get what's promised to a sister coming up on banking G's. Hustling's all the same, I can't deal with these blatant thoughts. Too much trust and risk, make quick for food to get caught. Hold the slip, I'm too late to be tripping. Weak strategies, get the best of me. Underpriced, every day down and out is life and society. Still I hold on, cause I'm headstrong and focused with life. No time to pay the price of failure, let me tell you no lie. Living by the struggle's rules, gotta do what you gotta do, that's fit. We struggling, who gives a damn, ain't about this down and out chick. My head pounding, what am I gonna do? Gotta get on the hustle, making a cheese, coming up out of the low life of the ghetto. Gotta make this come up on the real since tired of struggling. Get a life, show me no love, but give me reason to make quick moves on something. Gotta hold my own, but it's hard as hell, trying to stay afloat in the heart of it all. So for myself, it's the way I go. I gotta do what gotta be done to make it in these hard times. Struggling's a mother when you got a one that cannot provide for mine. Look at my predicament, who's gonna help this sister in need? Can't put trust in the system, so I gotta hustle these streets for my cheese. Gotta make that money coming up on the misses too. Cause one of these 9-6 days, I'm out of these ghetto blues.
Ghetto blues has got me down for the last time. Ghetto blues has got me down for the last time. Ghetto blues has got me down for the last time. Ghetto blues has got me down. Oh.
These ghetto blues that got a sister faded. Pray this was only a dream. Trapped in a slum surrounded by the crack fiends. Means of survival, I guess. Hustle in the hood with the bulletproof vest. Help me, Lord, I can't get no deeper than this. Wish I wasn't born in this world of bastards. Misfit moms got love for me, but she don't love what I do. Ooh, got a slang 9 to 5, don't bring in enough food steadily. Look out for myself, my troops, and my family. See, gotta go for self, cause won't nobody take care of me. Strategy, keep fools out of my place, gotta take care of my business. What is this? Too true, play haters on the real, you better get with this. Been dog for too long, come strong, fool is on. AJ Click coming thick for the 9-6, right down to the very bone, never lagging. 86 ghetto life, 86 them ghetto blues truths. Coming up for the 9-6, play haters, you bound to lose. Break rules, ain't no laws here, player. Understand ghetto blues, calls for moves, tests and truths. But remember the man, go home if you sensitive. Gotta live, nothing gives, been in some strange situations. Comprehensive had to do, so it's just did. Get rid of all excesses, always stay true to my truths. I can do this, gotta check these problems, get away from these ghetto blues.